I can get real ghetto. Hey, like I was saying, man, dude, hot, bro. I don't know what's his problem. Tell him to chill out straight up. Hide in the back, because I will embarrass you. Welcome back. We finna show you how to maximize with these gig apps. We got a goal of $150 today. Can we do it? Hell yeah, we can do it. We gonna see how long it take us to make this 150 bucks. Check me out. I got DoorDash going. I recently been deactivated on my other account, but I still got my good account, got a large order program on that account. But check me out, I got Walmart Spark going. We got our first order of the day. $13.23 for what's there right there. 4.3 miles, but here's the thing. It's 2 items, and guess what it is though? It's some Infamil, man. Some Infamil. It's for a baby, so you know I can't cancel this. What kind of person would I be if I cancel this Infamil order, knowing this person got a baby and they need formula? Hell to the no. We about to get to this baby this milk, man. Let's get it done. I couldn't cancel this order no matter what because it's Similac. I'm gonna do this order no matter what because when it come to things like this is like an essential item. Obviously, if they could have got this themselves, they probably would have. And if they were ordering it for like a long-term period, it probably would be more than 2 cans. So they need this right now. So I just, you know, I take those things into consideration when I'm doing these shopping delivers because I'm not gonna cancel this. Even if it would have been a whole bunch of food items on her with this, you can't cancel orders like this. They need these items. The baby needs it. Let's go ahead and get it delivered. Nice, easy drop off. They was at an apartment building, 3rd floor, but I don't care because that baby needed that Similac. So you know what? The extra stuff don't bother me on that one because that baby needed that Similac. So it don't matter that they was always on the 3rd floor. It's all to the good because that baby Similac, that was a good order, good miles to money ratio, so I'm cool with that. I got my next order already. $30 and 33.1 miles. That's 10 to 1 miles to money ratio. 16 items on this one. Most of it is all food. Let's get it done. I like shopping and deliver orders like this that pay good miles to money ratio and the item count ain't ridiculous. I think they got some cough drops on there. That's like the one out of the way item on the whole order. So let's get it. That's easy money right there. Both of these orders together gonna put me at $43, so I'm gonna be almost a third of the way to my goal with just my first 2 orders. That's how you maximize right there. Don't be beholden to DoorDash or anything else. DoorDash sent me a no-tip pizza order. Dang, I wish I had another account because that'd have been a great confrontation, but hey, it is what it is. Let's get this shopping delivered. All right, I got all these sodas in this bag. It's pretty heavy. All right. Oh, wrong one. Just got my next order. We got $23.99, y'all. Extra large order, shop and deliver on Walmart Spark. 3rd one in a row. I'm not used to this, but look, check this out. It say extra large, but it's only 3 items. So I'm trying to understand what 3 items could they possibly be getting that this is an extra large order, but we finna find out. Just want to take this time to say, look, it's content creators out there who telling y'all to take no tip order and that you're gonna get a $3 order and it's gonna turn into $12 and that, you know, you can take a $3 order going 1 mile away. Listen, nobody has ever made any money taking no tip orders. Trust me, I got deactivated for it. So when you got people out there telling, and they got platforms that you actually can make a profit taking no tip orders and that customers is giving out cash tips 90% of the time, look, don't listen to that trash. Take orders that are profitable on face value, okay? Don't take a no tip order hoping that it's gonna be a cash tip on there. Don't listen to these clown content creators out here who ain't making no money and trying to tell you how to take a no tip order. Don't listen to them people. Got that order dropped off. $23.99 now. For some different folks, that might have been a difficult one, but me, like 4 cases of water and 4 bags of salt, that's heavy stuff. But like I was zooming through that store with that heavy cart, through the parking lot too. Like I went out of the store on the wrong side and my car was on the whole opposite side. I'm just pushing the hell out of that cart because I'm like, man, I gotta get this money. So it didn't matter if it was a light cart, 1 bag, 1 item, full cart. Like it don't matter. Like the weight of the items doesn't matter to me. If it's 1, 2, 3 items, I'm getting them, throwing them in the cart, getting them to the car fast, getting them to the door. So easy money for me, but I see why that order sat for a minute. Got it done. So now we should be at about $65. Let's keep it going. It's starting to get dark out. I think the dinner rush is starting to start, so we're gonna go ahead and see if we can get a catering order right here on DoorDash. Let me know if you think I'm gonna get lucky and get a catering order tonight. I've been getting quite a few lately. It's been a while since I got one back to back, but let me know in the comments down below if you think they're gonna hit me with some catering tonight. Next order of the day, we got this $7 Chipotle order right here. And right as I pulled up, look what they sent me. $7 add-on for what's that, 3.9 miles? It's only 3 items, but I'm gonna go ahead and take it since I'm here and it's a drive-through pickup. That's the only reason I'm gonna take that one, because it's a drive-through pickup. If it would have been somewhere where I gotta go in, I ain't trying to do no stack like that. I'm trying to keep it simple. I'd like to give a very special shout out to 2 good good content creators out there. I would like to give a very special shout out to first one is gonna be Welty. Welty is a very good friend of mine. He's a fellow content creator, up and coming. Get this man his 1K subs. Stop playing with me. My man been supporting me from day one. He done literally made a fundraiser in honor of what I've been doing, you know, the movement of confronting these non-tippers. And I'm just so honored, man. I can't believe that somebody would even go out of their way to do something like that for me. And the second person is Uberlift Phoenix. I want you to please go check out these two channels, man. These guys both made separate videos doing something, you know, for me that I didn't know nothing about, you know, to support the cause and really help the movement, because they either knew that I was eventually gonna get deactivated or they, you know, just had a suspicion. But either way, they made some videos and they donated some funds to me, which I did not ask for, but I'm so grateful and so humbled by it. And I just want to say thank you, you guys. Thank you, Welty. Thank you, Uberlift Phoenix. Please check out those channels below, man, because they got some great content and I really think they could be of value to you or possibly entertaining. Right along, we got 950 for 7.3 miles, but that's actually the direction I was already headed. So those 7.3 miles is miles that Trader was already gonna be driving. Look at all this snow, y'all. See, these are the conditions that I be dealing with. That's why I took it upon myself. They say, well, you know, I'm gonna confront these no-tip customers in this snow. Because I was doing it in the summertime, but not as much. But once it started snowing and I was getting hit with them orders, I was like, no, sir. I got to stand up for justice because this is not right. So let's go ahead and head on over to Famous Dave's, y'all, and pick this up. Hopefully it's 2 platters. 950, what was shown. Let's see what we get. See what 950 turns into. Nope, 950 stays 950. First they sent me $11 for 3 miles at Popeyes, and I said, nah, man, that's Popeyes, I can't take it. But now they sent me $23.50 for 6.4 miles at Popeyes. Now I cannot refuse that. That is a Popeyes order that I just can't refuse that, so I gotta take that one. This line, look at this line, look at it, crazy. So of course the lobby is closed. That's why this order was so damn, look at it. That's probably my order right there. I hope it is. They did just bring dude his order to the door though. Hopefully they bring me mine too. Nice. I cannot believe both of them orders was ready, man. That's the first time in Popeye's history they had 2 orders ready with their lobby not open. That's what's up. All right, well, let's get them delivered. Yes, sir. Order of the night, we got $32 even for 21 items stacked. Teriyaki Madness and Hy-Vee Grocery. 7.8 miles total. I'm gonna show you the map on this one. It's bringing me back into my little zone where I get my good orders at. That's a good payout. It's not gonna take me an hour to get this done, but if I was slow and it took me a whole hour, that would still be acceptable. $32, 7 miles, 21 items, and the drop off leaves me in my zone. Let's get it done. Alrighty, got that last shopping delivered done. That $32 order turned into $33. So only an extra $1, but that's kind of why I don't do no extra work on no shopping delivers. We got $9 for 3 miles. Yeah, that's a good mile to money ratio. They might be showing me the full tip on that one, but that's cool because sometimes that's what they got to do because they already know me. Like, look, if you're gonna send me your order right after I just drop one off, just go ahead and show me the full tip amount and let me make a decision off of that. Because I'm more likely to take it if you show me the full amount versus if you hit it. Like if they would have showed me $6.50 for them 2 miles, 2 items, I might not have took it time. But by me knowing that Taco John's usually give me them orders through the drive-through window and they usually have them ready, I'm more willing to take that order. We started with the combo meal today. Hey, how you doing, Anthony? I'm actually gonna be picking up an order for McKenna. Inside here. Oh, well, is there any particular reason why there's nobody behind me in the drive-thru? I mean, if it's just a matter of you getting it started, I am here to pick it up.
Yeah, you know, I do apologize.
Oh, man, that policy killing my hourly wage, man.
Yeah, I do apologize.
Because this was a good order, but now I'm kind of like, damn, maybe that's why it was so good because other drivers didn't want to do all that. Because I thought it was a good order because I'm able to pick them up through the drive-thru at other Taco John's. So I was like, okay, but now I'm kind of like, maybe that's why I got this order. So it's not ready. No, I got you. I do understand that. And I just wanted to get some little clarification because, you know, like from my side, it's like, it's no different from a customer like pulling up and ordering through the drive-thru, right? You still got to... No, yeah, no problem. I am going to come inside. I just want to ask you about that. So, looks like we're going to be heading inside, guys. They don't want to give us this one. I'm sorry, go ahead.
Inside.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, so it looks like they're not gonna be giving them through the drive-through today, guys. We're gonna be heading on inside, and it may take a little minute on this one because it seems like it's not ready. But we're gonna go ahead and check in and see how long it takes, guys. This is why DoorDash drivers make no money right here. This is the reason you can't make no money. When you're in a good flow, get stopped by some shit like this. So let's see what the dealio is.
2 hours later.
Hey, DoorDash.
Hell no, my name ain't no DoorDash. Is your name Taco John's? So what's up with this policy y'all talking about? Y'all don't want to give them through the drive-through window.
What's up?
Somebody said they've been here a year, something else. Yeah, so I'm trying to understand. I'm not asking like why, how long it's been and why. Like I'm asking like, do you think that's good? Like as far as like y'all getting y'all things done, because like a customer ordering it through the drive-through versus me.
Man, I don't make them decisions.
Damn, I was talking to him. You just gonna interrupt me like that, big dog? I don't work for DoorDash, bruh. Don't do me like that now. We can keep it cordial. Don't, yeah, come on now. We on camera. We don't gotta do all that, cause I can get real ghetto. Hey, like I was saying, do you think that's good though? You know what I'm saying? Cause like I pull up, I'm picking up an order that y'all already have versus a customer who's placing a brand new fresh order. Yeah. Like wouldn't it make more sense for y'all to give them to the driver through the drive-through, keep things moving? Man, dude, hot, bro. I don't know what's his problem. Tell him to chill all that shit out, bro. Straight up. Cause I'm not fucking from here. I love when motherfuckers get amped with me. Hide in the back, cause I will embarrass your ass, bro. This dude right here, professional as hell. But what you just did made me just go to a whole different level. Cause now I'm ready to fight. So you might not even want to look over here no more. For real. No, I'm gonna calm down because look, I was cool, but he did that, and now I'm like, damn, why he do that? Nah, don't do that. Cause I appreciate you. Cause look, your dude about to make me set it off in a second, bro. He better watch who he talking to with that nonsense. That's fine. Cause look, manager, co-manager, that don't mean nothing to me. Cause I don't work for DoorDash. So just like you was being nice, he better remember that because that's the best way to go. Cause I like what you did. Cause I don't work for nobody, so I can get stupid. That's what you gotta remember. Hell yeah, side of grilled chicken and all that. Cause you nice and you doing you should be the manager. Cause you actually know how to keep your composure and you on camera, you doing good. He don't need to be the manager. That's for real. Acting like that. Fuck wrong with him? Yeah, he shut it up real quick when you heard that.
Diet do I think.
Fuck he thought. We are currently sitting at $96.50 on DoorDash. I just picked up this little pizza order right here. Boom, wouldn't even fit in the bag, but it's all good though. And let's see on Walmart Spark, because I started off my day with a few Walmart Spark orders, so let's see where we at on Spark. So we at 67 on Walmart Spark and 96.50 on DoorDash. So that right there, I'm already done hit my goal, 150 bucks. But I'm gonna keep going though, because there's orders out here. It's money to be made, but I've already knocked my goal out of the park. Let's go. That's the way I like to do it. I started, don't even know what time I started, so we're gonna check on that time later on. Actually, I can check on that time right now, because if I open up the Walmart Spark, I can see what time I completed my first order. And I completed my first order, which was that $13 order with the Infamil at 3:23. So I started at 3:23. It is now 8. So I've been out for about 5 hours and I made my 150 bucks. Over 150 actually. Over 30 bucks an hour. Let's keep it going and see just how much more we can. Got this pizza order right here. Let's go ahead and get it dropped off. Yeah, so just got hit with an order. Let's take a look at it. See that? $44 even. 14.6 miles, 31 items. That's a stack. This is why I say acceptance rate does not matter. Because if you know I'm not a top dasher, none of that. And I got this order showing me 44 bucks. And it's a possibility. Now it is a stack. Look at that. Gas is cheap as hell. But this is what I'm saying, like DoorDash will manipulate you into thinking that you gotta take all these orders, get your acceptance rate all the way up to, you know, 50% to see high paying orders. No, be select because they will try to trick you. Don't let them manipulate. One picture for the groceries and another one. So what we got, $35 on that one, $20 tip, nice. That's on the shopping part probably. And let's go ahead and get him a picture for the food part. I think it said it said $44 in total. So cool, another 9 bucks. That's 44 bucks right there. Awesome, that was a nice little stack right there. If I get another one like that, that'll be $100 right there in 1 hour. So let's see what they hit me with. I'm gonna make my way back to my zone. Been a nice little turn of events since about 6 o'clock. Time is now 9:30 and I'm on my last order of the night. We got a good one, y'all. I got $20 for 9.1 miles a stack. 2 nice restaurants. We got Johnny Carino's, which is right down that way, and Granite City, which is right here. And I pick up a lot of catering orders from Granite City, but this one ain't one, but it's still a chance for a good tip because it's all good orders that come out of this restaurant. So we're gonna slide up in here first. first, and then we're gonna slide down to Johnny Carino's, and that's gonna be it for the night. I know we definitely knocked that goal out of the park, but I'm curious to see how much I actually made, because in these last 3 hours, it really picked up. I did a 44, a 32, and now it's a 20. So those are good numbers right there. We're gonna calculate our totals and see how we did. Let me know in the comments down below how much. No, never mind. The Carino, they came through. They had their order already ready, so we can go ahead and throw that one on in the hot bag, and now we can slide back to Granite City. Hopefully they got it ready. They didn't have it quite ready when I was in there, but these restaurants are so close together that it didn't even really matter. Got that first one dropped off, second to last order of the night, $7.50 on that one. $12.50 is what's showing for the second part of that order, and as you can see right there, I'm at $150 already. DoorDash, let's get it. We're gonna drop this second one off and add up all our totals. Well, alrighty, we are done for the night. I did $66 on Walmart Spark and a whopping $100 on DoorDash. 8 hours in total, y'all. We started at 3:30. The time is now 10, so 8 hours flat. $230 in 8 hours, $28.75 per hour. Stop playing with me. FDA, Fast Dash Alive. I didn't do no Uber to no Grubhub tonight. That's the beauty of multi-apping. I pick and choose what apps I want to work. When you only got one app, you got to play by their rules. You got to do everything they say. You multi-app, play by your way. I'll catch you in the next one.